The London Fog, a sweetened vanilla tea-based latte, and a big velvety hug in a mug that I slept on for entirely too long. The base of this is an Earl Grey tea, which is a gentle black tea known for its bergamot orange flavor. Lucky for us, it takes about as long to make the frothed milk as it does for the tea to steep. And to do that, we're going to start by gently heating a cup of milk over medium heat until just before it begins simmering, somewhere between 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets hot enough to start simmering and bubbling, you've gone too far. Then we're going to pour our steaming milk into a mason jar. I could just put a lid on it and shake it until it develops a foam, but I'm going to cheat and use a milk frother. I'm going to froth this until it's somewhere between half again to twice as much as its original volume. And what started out as about 8 ounces of milk is now going to be about 8 ounces worth of foam and several ounces of smooth, velvety steamed milk. And by now our tea should be finished steeping, so squeeze out the bag and pour that into your mug. Next, we're going to stir in a teaspoon of sugar, or if you're cool like me, a whole Splenda packet. The next ingredient's a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I've always made my own by slicing a few vanilla pods and dumping it into a cheap bottle of brandy just to forget about it in the back of a cupboard for 6 months or so. Use the back of a spoon to keep the foam inside your mason jar while you dump the steamed milk into the cup. Then gently scoop the foam out and add it to the top like whipped cream on a sundae. And there you have it, London Fog.